Have you ever gazed at the night sky and wondered if we are alone in this vast universe? The quest to understand our place in the cosmos has gripped humanity for centuries. We've looked to the stars, our curiosity piqued, yearning to unravel the mysteries they hold. This longing, this fascination, is not just about the stars themselves, but about the potential of what they might harbor: life. Extraterrestrial life, a concept that has long straddled the line between science and science fiction, has become a focal point of our space exploration efforts. From the icy moons of Jupiter to the rocky plains of Mars, we're probing further than ever before, searching for signs of life beyond our own blue planet. As we continue to push the boundaries of our knowledge and technology, the possibility of life existing elsewhere within our own solar system becomes ever more plausible. Today we will journey through our solar system and explore the top 5 planets where life may exist. At number 5 we have Mars, the red planet. Our neighboring celestial body has long been a subject of fascination with its rusty red appearance and its potential for harboring life. Mars in many ways bears a striking resemblance to our own planet, which makes it a prime candidate in our search for extraterrestrial life. Let's talk about the Martian atmosphere first. It's primarily composed of carbon dioxide with traces of nitrogen and argon. While not hospitable for humans, this atmosphere could potentially support microbial life. Furthermore, the thin atmosphere allows for the existence of water in its solid form as ice at the poles. Speaking of water, it's no secret that Mars holds evidence of it. The presence of vast dried-up river valleys and lake beds suggests that liquid water once flowed on the Martian surface. This water, if it existed, could have provided a suitable environment for life to develop. But that's not all. Mars has an intriguing past that points towards the possibility of life. Data from NASA's rovers, like Perseverance, provide compelling evidence that Mars was once warmer and wetter. The discovery of complex organic molecules and seasonal methane emissions further fuels the speculation of potential life. Perseverance, with its state-of-the-art instruments, is currently exploring the Jezero crater, a site believed to have been a lake around 3 billion years ago. The rover is on a mission to look for signs of ancient microbial life, collecting samples that may one day return to Earth for further analysis. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of Mars, we inch closer to answering the fundamental question: are we alone in the universe? With every rover landing, with every satellite image, we gather more pieces of the puzzle. Mars, with its intriguing past and potential for future exploration, holds a significant place in our search for extraterrestrial life. Moving on, at number 4, we find Venus, our planetary neighbor, often referred to as Earth's twin due to its similar size. Venus is anything but sibling-like when it comes to conditions conducive to life as we know it. The planet is shrouded in a thick, dense atmosphere, predominantly composed of carbon dioxide with clouds made of sulfuric acid. Yes, you heard it right, sulfuric acid. This creates a literal pressure cooker environment with surface temperatures reaching an unfathomable 867 degrees Fahrenheit. Yet, despite its seemingly inhospitable conditions, Venus keeps us intrigued in our search for extraterrestrial life. The key to this interest lies in the planet's cloud decks, particularly the temperate zone approximately 30 to 40 miles above the surface. Here, conditions are far more Earth-like, with temperatures and pressures comparable to those on our home planet. In the realm of Venusian clouds, we find the tantalizing clue that sparks our imagination: phosphine gas. In recent years, scientists detected traces of phosphine in the planet's atmosphere. On Earth, this gas is produced by bacteria in oxygen-starved environments, which leads us to wonder, could similar life forms be thriving in the Venusian clouds? However, it's important to note that phosphine detection doesn't confirm the existence of life. There may be other non-biological processes at play here, creating phosphine in the Venusian atmosphere. Yet, the possibility remains tantalizing, prompting scientists to delve deeper into the mysteries of our cloudy neighbor. So why is Venus on our list? Despite the planet's hellish surface conditions, the potential for life in its cloud decks, coupled with recent phosphine detection, makes Venus an intriguing contender in the search for life beyond Earth. The enigmatic Venus reminds us that life, as we understand it, isn't confined to familiar or comfortable environments. It can surprise us, challenge our understanding, and exist in places we least expect. Despite its harsh conditions, Venus remains a planet of interest in our quest for life beyond Earth. Next up at number 3 we have Europa, a moon of Jupiter. Europa, with its icy exterior, may not initially appear as a potential home for life, but don't let its frosty facade fool you. Hidden beneath Europa's icy shell lies one of the most intriguing features of this moon: a subsurface ocean. This ocean is believed to be twice the volume of Earth's oceans combined. Imagine that. This makes Europa a compelling candidate for extraterrestrial life. Why, you may ask? Well, on Earth where there's water, there's life. So, scientists hypothesize that Europa's vast ocean, warmed by the tidal forces of Jupiter's gravity, could possibly harbor life. The idea of life existing on this distant moon might seem like a far-fetched notion, but the possibility is too compelling to ignore. We're talking about a moon that has all the essential ingredients for life as we know it: water, chemistry, and energy. Europa, with its icy surface and potential underwater life, continues to captivate our curiosity. At number 2 we have Enceladus, Saturn's icy moon. Now if you're wondering why this frosty satellite earns such a high spot on our list, the answer lies beneath its icy surface. Enceladus has been a point of interest for scientists since the discovery of geysers spouting water vapor and organic molecules from its surface. But what makes these geysers so special? Well, the presence of these geysers suggests something fascinating. They indicate the existence of a subsurface ocean beneath the icy crust of Enceladus. And when we say ocean, we're not talking about a small lake or pond. No, this is a vast, global ocean of liquid water existing in darkness beneath miles and miles of ice. Now you might be thinking, an ocean? On a moon? How is that possible? Well, it's believed that tidal heating caused by the gravitational tug-of-war between Enceladus, Saturn, and other nearby moons keeps the water from freezing solid. But why does this matter? Why does the existence of this subsurface ocean excite scientists and space enthusiasts alike? It's simple. Where there's water, there's the potential for life. Life as we know it requires water to survive and thrive, so the discovery of a vast ocean beneath the surface of Enceladus raises the tantalizing possibility that this icy moon could harbor life. But it's not just the water that's important. The geysers on Enceladus are also spouting organic molecules, the building blocks of life. These molecules, combined with the warm, liquid water, could provide the perfect conditions for life to exist. Of course, we're still a long way from confirming the existence of extraterrestrial life on Enceladus. But the possibility is there, and it's a possibility that continues to inspire scientists and stoke our collective curiosity. Enceladus, with its geysers and potential for a subsurface ocean, is a prime location in our search for life. And at number 1 we have our very own Earth. Astonishingly, in the unfathomable vastness of the cosmos, our humble abode Earth remains the only known celestial body to support life. The conditions here are not just right but perfect, a delicate balance that allows life to thrive in its myriad forms. Earth's uniqueness lies in its perfect placement in the solar system. It's not too close to the sun that we would burn, nor too far that we would freeze. We exist in a Goldilocks zone where the conditions are just right. Now let's talk about water. Life as we know it requires water, and Earth is flush with it. Over 70% of our planet's surface is covered by it, making Earth appear as a blue marble from space. But water is more than a beautiful feature. It's a life-giving elixir. It's in our rivers, our blood, our cells, and even in the air we breathe. Earth's atmosphere is another marvel, a protective blanket that shields us from harmful solar radiation while containing the vital gases that life forms need to survive. It's a mix of nitrogen, oxygen, and a small percentage of other gases, creating an air cocktail that's just right for us. Lastly, Earth's magnetic field, our planet's invisible shield, protects us from the sun's damaging solar winds. Without it, life on Earth would be subjected to harsh conditions, making survival a significant challenge. Understanding Earth's unique conditions isn't just about appreciating our home, it's also about finding life elsewhere. By studying Earth, we learn about the requirements for life and where to look for similar conditions in the cosmos. The search for life starts at home on our very own Earth. As we continue our search for life in the cosmos, we are reminded of the profound beauty and uniqueness of our own planet. The quest for extraterrestrial life is a reminder of how extraordinary our existence is and how precious our home, Earth, truly is.